Search for WinRAR and click the one I do. Link will be in description. Now click the blue download button. Then at the next page, click download free trial. It should last 40 days. It should start downloading. Once it does, open it up. Select your language, then at the next page. I prefer simple setup because it already goes to downloads, but if you'd like to change where you download it to follow the advanced setup, accept terms and start the download process. Uncheck the top box and apply. Now to use WinRAR, go to the file you need to extract, right-click, go to Open With, and select WinRAR. Once it opens, drag or copy and paste the files you need from the WinRAR screen to your computer. If it asks for a password, look for it from the person you got the file from. And you are done. Thanks for watching. Please like this video for more tutorials.